Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, I'm sorry. I took a little break, but I'm glad to be back. Hope all of you are doing well, and in this video I'm going to review my purchase from Pyare Bitia, a Facebook page that I found. It's locally based in Canada, and I bought few clothes for my little one, traditional clothes, kurta sets, and let's see what it has got for me. So I placed this order on February 13th as there was a family day promotion going on, and I got some discount, and if you shop over $60 they ship it free, so that was good. And I was shopping for my little boy and I haven't done it recently, so I thought let me do it as there are few festivals that are coming up, as also there are some celebrations in the family that's going to come up, so why not let me place an order and see. This is the second time I am placing an order with Pyare Bitia and I'm excited for this. So I placed an order on February 13th, and 14th is a holiday and 15th is a family day. It was a holiday here in Canada, and so I think they confirmed the order immediately and they posted it on February 17th and I received it on 18th. So this package has been sitting there in the front, like in our foyer for about 2 days or so. I made sure I disinfected it. Corona times, crazy times, isn't it? So I disinfected it and it's ready to be opened. So without much delay, let's go and see. I'm excited because it's traditional clothes for my little boy. So let's see if I can open it without using the knife. Probably not a great idea. I have this handy anyways. So let's see. I mean, shopping for little ones in Canada in stores have been little challenging. Like there are few stores which are an hour away from the place where we live, and despite of all the efforts that we put in for driving, the quality of the clothes is not great firstly, and it is expensive as well. So I'm glad recently few Facebook pages have been created providing options to shop for traditional clothes locally here in Canada. They import it from India, of course, but it is easy. As long as the quality is good, I don't mind putting some extra money. So let's see. Okay, I got all the three out. I have ordered for 3 sets. So this is one, and other two also she's packed in a single packet. So let's start with the green kurta. It's all the orders I have put through from them this time is cotton based. It is important, the little ones, they look definitely very cute when we put the traditional clothes on them, but it is equally important to make sure that little ones are very comfortable. So I tend to incline towards materials which are more comfortable for their sensitive skin, and this time it's all cotton is what I have placed an order for. This is the first one. There you go, isn't it cute? Yeah, and a pajama, white pajama, and this is the kurta. Let's move on to the second one. The material is definitely better, so I did left my feedback to her through, I believe it's through an email or so, I don't remember, that the material was not up to my expectation when I placed my order last time, and she took it very positively, the person whom I placed the order with, which is good, isn't it? when people are trying to take your feedback and trying to improve their products, it's really good. So I'm pleased that the first one, the material is much better. Actually, I'm happy with the first one. And I am here with another kurta. This is the second one for my little boy. This looks nice as well. And this is again cotton. And this one comes with a dhoti instead. There you go, it's a cute one. Yeah, isn't it cute? I really like it. I hope my little one feels comfortable in this one. So this one again, the material is cotton, and I am happy that this is much nicer material. So two, I'm very happy. Let's go with the third one. This one is even more stylish. I say that because I'll show you shortly. So this is again cotton, floral pattern throughout, and it's a cotton kurta. The material is great. I'm very pleased, and it comes with a Nehru style jacket. So that's the jacket. So it would go on top of the kurta, and that's how it looks. Isn't it nice? Yeah, and it comes with a white pajama. So all the three products, what I saw exactly is what I got. I'm very pleased with the material. I should let her know personally again. Last time she was very prompt following up with me. I believe she has started her business very recently. I'm glad she is taking the feedback very positively, like the from mine. She took up feedback. I'm sure she is doing that pretty much with everyone as she's newly building up her business. I'm glad that she took into the consideration of my feedback, and this time the materials are much nicer. All of them are cotton, so I'm sure my little one will be super comfortable. And if you would like to check her page, I can provide you a link in between in below the description box. And this costed me $25, and this set, the Nehru jacket set, costed me $35, and this was $25. On top of this, I think I received a discount of 20%, I believe, in total. And because the bill exceeded $60, it was shipped to me free of cost. So some of you might be thinking that I might have paid a little extra for cotton clothes for the little boy. Well, that's true, and I admit it. However, if I was to place an order from an Indian website to get it to Canada and to pay the importation duty taxes, it would have costed me way more. So I'm glad someone is putting an effort to take that pain and to provide us with a quality products, a reliable service, and a quality products. What else do you want? Because as I'm not sure if I mentioned that earlier, I have tried another option, like where I tried shopping for my little one in store here in Canada. Firstly, the stores are about an hour drive from where we live, and we need to put gas for that, effort to drive, as well as the quality of the products were not even good. So what's the point in driving far and getting some product for the sake of having something traditionally and not really happy about the quality? I would rather do my research online, that which I do always for anything anyways. And I'm glad that I found Pyare Bitia, which seems to be reliable in terms of quality as well as the service. So I am wishing her all the very best. Hopefully her business bloom very well in the future, and wishing her all the prosperity. And guys, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. And I would like to do more interesting videos in future. Stay tuned with Jaya. Until then, take care. Bye. Signing off.